This fan emotionally broke down over meeting Pearl Thusi. Pearl Thusi's heart completely melted when a fan broke down emotionally over meeting her. The actress visited the Mangasuthu University of Technology earlier this week and was completely taken aback when a young student burst into tears. Shortly after the emotional encounter, Pearl took to Instagram to let fans know that she does not take the love for granted. She explained that the pressure of the industry has forced her to be tough at times, but that the overwhelming love did not go unnoticed. "I don't take your love for granted. I never know how to react to such pure emotion because this industry has forced me to put my guard up and toughen up in so many ways. No one is as strong as they look. But moments like these melt and chip away at that icy wall that's built up over the years.